Dance? Don't dance. Hi guys, my name is Steve Hobbs. I am your improv host today, your improv teacher. Our two-person showdown. Here we go. What?
Exploding science.
What?
Exploding science.
Exploding Science is indeed the name of this scene. Here we go. Count them in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Deep in a basement in the middle of New York, there was
a science experiment that was starting to go horribly wrong, right? And it exploded.
into the building, and there was gases and fire and water and other sciencey things just
Lying around, right? Filling up the floor.
and people were tripping over it and yelling and screaming.
Trying to not be terrified by all the terrifying stuff on the floor.
And then from the depths of the basement,
Right? A monster came out of the water.
a large monster with big
Teeth, like a wolf.
and a
Time we go. Round of applause. Paul is our winner. Alicia gets a moment. First of all, round of applause for Paul. Nice job. Fist bump, hopefully fist bump.
Yep.
And Alicia, let's see a death by moment. Let's get an object. Yeah. Watch. Death by watch. Death by time, story of my life. Here we go. One last death by 5 seconds. Death by watch.
Oh, I dropped my watch. Why is it attached to this? What's going on? I want it come off.
And scene. Round of applause. One of those James Bond watches. That's how you gotta find a good watch repair, guys. And they might explode, you never know. Once again, for Paul, great job, Paul. I love it.